Hey, what's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to fix, or at least work around, the current pressing issue of losing your head, losing your equipment, losing your quests, and most importantly, losing your secure container. So essentially what happens is if for some reason you happen to crash while you're loading into a server in Grey Zone Warfare, currently in this current version and patch, if you happen to crash while you're loading, your save will become corrupt. And because your save is server-side, you're pretty much screwed. Essentially what happens is if you see people missing heads in-game, in spawn here for example, such as this one posted on Reddit, or this one, which was a picture of my friend who unfortunately came across the same demise. This is what their inventory looked like. They lost their secure container, which was supposed to be here, which is pretty terrible. Unless you happen to upgrade your account and replace this by using one of the extra ones that you get after upgrading your account, so the bigger ones, you get to keep the smaller ones too, then you're pretty much screwed. You're never going to get this back, at least in the current patch. And on top of this, the worst thing that happened was that every active task from the tasks section happened to vanish. While you think they can just restart it from the vendors section, well, they were actually gone from here too. I would think that you lose your head and your skin because those are all custom things attached to your profile. The body is just kind of default. And if you see someone like that, then it may be unfortunate enough that they come across the same demise. Why do I keep saying demise? Well, essentially, if this happens to you and you happen to crash in the right way while you're loading into a server, your account is messed up. It's completely screwed. The only thing you can do to fix it at this current point in time is to exit back to the main menu and in the bottom right, click wipe character. This will let you pick a different look, so you can pick your different hair and things like that, color, etc. And you can pick a different faction as well. However, that means that you're completely resetting your task progress, your inventory, your money, everything. Everything will be reset back to a brand new game. This is super unfortunate, as this is the only way of dealing with it currently, and that's the official word from the developers. If I pull across this article from Twitter over here, from the official developers, you'll see the hotfix is live, and they're trying to fix the issue with missing heads and stuff like that. They've added the ability to wipe, etc. And over here, option for character wipe to switch factions or to recover from a missing head or secure container bug. This problem might reoccur until we release a proper fix. Those are the words of the developers. And of course, this game's only really been out for, 3 days now in early access. There are going to be game-breaking issues like this, and this is unfortunately one of the pretty random ones that can affect absolutely anyone, including you. Every time you reconnect to a server, you risk losing this same fate. Even I did connecting to a server to show you this video. It's super unfortunate, especially because it's a paid game. Progress is hard to grind for, etc. So yeah. Anyways, the only way you can fix it is unfortunately by resetting your account at this current point in time. But if there's a better fix in the future, there'll probably be nothing required on your part. You just connect and you'll get everything back. Or of course, this issue won't happen anymore. I don't think there'll be a more official fix this button that appears anywhere. So this video will probably be valid pretty much as long as this issue is present in Grey Zone. It's really unfortunate, and I feel for you, man. I've reset the game myself just so I can switch factions, so I know exactly how difficult it is to grind all the way back up. And of course, if you're going to be grinding it all again, you probably know where most of the things are already, but don't be shy to Google for maps and things like that to speedrun your way through it and plan your trips. You can probably get it done like I did in just under 3 hours, getting back to the PvP ready kind of action plan. That's at least how long it took me to run up a new account all the way from level 0 to level 7-ish, 8-ish, and get back to the PvP areas. Anyways, if you're going to need help completing quests in Grey Zone Warfare, on my second channel, Troubleshoot Basics, I've been uploading hundreds of videos showing you everything you need to know about the game, including task guides, maps, etc. So if you're interested in that, you'll find it linked down below, and of course, I'll see you there for more Grey Zone Warfare content. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. It's very unfortunate how you have to deal with this, but this is the confirmation that at the current point in time, and probably for the next few days, this is the only way that you can deal with it. So unfortunately, that's it. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.